Hey everyone, welcome back to Glamour Has No Age. Today, I have the Disney Beauty and the Beast eyeshadow palette. I have the blush palette and I have the lips. That is what I'll be using for my makeup today. It looks like this, very pretty. It's a neutral color story. Very wearable. And you get a nice brush that comes along with it. Sigma brushes are good. And I'm going to use this Rephr Max 10. And what am I going to do? I'm going to go into... Let me take this brush out, else it'll be flopping all over the place. I'm gonna go into Cogsworth and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I already have eye primer on. I did my base already. Is that. Then I'm going to take the Rephr 01 Mini and I'm going to go into Forbidden, which is right here, and put that in my outer V. And then I'm going to take my Wayne Goss blender, the E1. I know I always say this, but the size of this brush is phenomenal. My Angie Hot and Flashy A505. I'm gonna go into Be Our Guest. But you know what? First I'm gonna put on some Pat McGrath. This is so pretty. That's so pretty. This is a very wearable palette. Very wearable. I have the blush palette too. And a highlighter. So what is this? This is what it looks like. It looks like 2 blushes and a highlighter. I'm going to use the Beauty Within. My highlighter brush, where are you? I'll use this Wayne Goss one, the F2. Going to Luminaire. Maybe a little bit too deep for me. Let's pull out the lips. Package looks like this. It's a mini lip set. They're lip creams. I love lip creams. They look like that. Don't mean to blind you. They look like that. I'm at a good angle, Michelle. All right. This one is Bonjour. Very nice. let me put on some mascara. There, and now we have the full effect. Not bad. I think I put too much of the outer shade on this side and not enough on this side. Oops. Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider sticking around. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.